I'm Oneika and I've got some great news. We're going to Paris on vacation! I can't wait to see the Eiffel Tower, eat a baguette, buy a beret. Wait, did you say you don't speak French? Well, you know what? That's not a problem at all because today I'm going to teach you some useful French phrases that you can use when you go to a French restaurant because everybody knows that the best way to experience French culture is to eat the food. Am I right? Okay, so we don't have any time to waste. Let's go! Bonjour tout le monde! The first thing you should probably learn is how to say you're hungry. And to say that in French, it would be j'ai faim. Repeat after me. J'ai faim. You got it? Awesome. Another important thing to know when you're in a restaurant is how to order food. So in English, we would typically say, I would like to order. And in French, that would be je voudrais for I would like. And then the verb for to order is commander. Je voudrais commander. Now, we're very polite people, so what you can do is you can add please at the end. And please in French is s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais commander s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais commander s'il vous plaît. But interesting tidbit, when you actually order the food, you can simply say je voudrais or I'd like plus the name of the food. So now that you've mastered those two constructions, we can move on and learn 10 new vocabulary words. I'm gonna quickly run through these words, but please feel free to stop the video when necessary so you can get as much repetition and practice as you need. Let's go! Hamburger. Un hamburger. Je voudrais un hamburger. Fries. Des frites. Je voudrais des frites, s'il vous plaît. Chicken. Du poulet. Je voudrais du poulet. Fish. Du poisson. Je voudrais du poisson, s'il vous plaît. Carrots. Des carottes. Je voudrais des carottes. Water. De l'eau. Je voudrais de l'eau, s'il vous plaît. Milk. Du lait. Je voudrais du lait. Juice. Du jus. Je voudrais du jus. Ice cream. Une glace. Je voudrais une glace. And of course, you'll find all of these items on the menu. And menu in French is la carte. La carte. Okay, great. So now that we've gotten all that out of the way, we can finally use what we've learned in a French restaurant, which is perfect because I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Let's go!
Bonjour madame, bienvenue dans notre restaurant. Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, je vais très bien, mais j'ai faim.
Ha ha, mais bien sûr. Voici la carte.
Merci.
Que voulez-vous commander? Je voudrais du poulet avec des carottes et de l'eau gazeuse, s'il vous plaît. Très bien.
Monsieur, attendez. En fait, j'ai changé d'avis. Je voudrais un hamburger, des frites et un verre de jus d'orange.
D'accord, madame.
Merci. Non. En fait, oubliez tout ça. Je voudrais du poisson, un verre de lait et une glace pour le dessert.
Ce sera tout?
Oui, merci.
C'est touriste.
And that, my dear friends, brings our lesson on words that you can use in a French restaurant to a close. For more French vocabulary words, make sure to check out Lonely Planet's First Words French series and subscribe to this channel so that you can see more French videos from me, Oneika. Now it's time for me to say goodbye, so au revoir et à la prochaine.